So I'm at the Scottish National Championships for my sport of target rifle shooting this week, so I thought I would vlog it for you. Enjoy.
You like me when I give you cookies, but you don't like me all the time?
Yeah, I know.
Morning, it is Monday now and we've done 2 full days of shooting, so Saturday and Sunday. Today's my scheduled day off, but I also brought 3 people from the uni team for the first time, so they have scheduled shooting today. So I've had the morning off and now I am just going to go into the range now and do a little bit of what's called unsquadded shooting in the afternoon, which is competitions which aren't scheduled. You can just shoot them whenever you want to. I'm going to do a few of them this afternoon, and hopefully I'll show you some of our results from the weekend, although mine have been pretty bad. I'm kind of semi-ill and I've not done enough and nowhere near enough training, so it's bleh.
Oh, they won't put that out again.